Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome back to another exciting video of mine. And this video is going to be about the products that I really loved buying. So this video is going to be about the products that I really enjoyed using, and this is a non-sponsored video. All the products that I'm showing you has been bought by me from my hard-earned money. So I'll be really thankful to you if you watch this video till the end, and please do like, subscribe, and please do like, subscribe and share and comment on this video if you really enjoy my content and if you really want me to make more such videos, and I'll be really thankful to you for doing that. So without any further ado, let's jump into the video. So starting off this video by showing my favorite products among all the products that I'm going to show you. So this is a perfume. Yes guys, a perfume by Miniso. आप लोगों ने एक्सपेक्ट नहीं किया होगा कि Miniso का प्रोडक्ट इसमें हो सकता है, बट ट्रस्ट मी, दिस इज so amazing and this is only for just 500 rupees, and keeping in mind the price point, this is really amazing. And it also comes in a cute bottle. Actually, let me show you. Just look at this. This looks so girly and so feminine, and the color is also pink and the bottle is also pink. The name is also pink and it smells so good, like so good. I can't just let you smell, but this is so amazing. So if you ever visit Miniso again, just buy this one. In this, I think this is my most favorite fragrance. और भी इसमें options थे, so you can check it out as well, but just give it a thought to Miniso perfumes and you will just love it. So the next on the list is a face wash. Last video में मैंने आपको दिखाया था face wash जो मुझे बिल्कुल अच्छा नहीं लगा, and now I'm showing you the face wash that I'm currently using, and I've been using this since the last 3-4 months, and I'm in a no mood to change it. And this is by Cetaphil. This is oily skin cleanser, and this is so good. And I have an acne prone skin, and I have experienced a lot of acne on my face, but this comes as a blessing. This is really good. This doesn't harm your skin. This is lightweight. This is non-greasy. This is and it is also pH balanced. It is non-drying as well, so it doesn't make your face dry after washing your face. And this is so good, but yes, it's on an expensive side. But if you have sensitive skin and you don't want your acne to come up, so I would highly recommend you to use this one and give it a try. So the next product on this list is a moisturizer, and a moisturizer is so important even in summers. Some people believe that summers में ज़रूरी नहीं होता, but अब तो खैर winters आ गए हैं, तो this is compulsory for every skin type. And this is by Cetaphil as well. I have been using this again since last 3 or 4 months, and I'm just loving it. This is so good for oily skin. And that face wash and this moisturizing cream, this combo is perfect for sensitive skin and acne prone skin. And if you are facing some acne problems, then trust me, just buy this one and give your skin some time to heal, and you'll be there. So next is something unique on this list which you would be not expecting. So these are some face razors. Yes, girls also use razors, so please don't be shocked. So this is by the company Let's Shave, and I use this to remove my chin hairs. थोड़े बाल हमारे यहाँ पे भी होते हैं, और अपर लिप हेयर. कई बार जैसे मेरे को कहीं जाना होता है, सडनली आई कांट गो टू द पार्लर एवरी टाइम, सो आई यूज़ दिस वन टू रिमूव माई upper lip hair. And I have also removed some of my eyebrow hair from this, and this acts amazingly. And इसका जो रेज़र है ये भी बहुत शार्प है, and not that sharp but sharp enough to just clear your skin and just remove your hair, which is the basic requirement of every razor. So I would highly recommend you to use this one, and trust me, आपके बाल और hair growth दोबारा नहीं आएगी. जो natural hair growth है वो उतनी ही रहेगी. And I got this one from Amazon. This is available on every platform, Flipkart, Nykaa, Amazon. So जहाँ पे आपको सबसे affordable मिले और सबसे सस्ता मिले, आप वहाँ से ले सकते हैं. And इसके पीछे भी लिखा हुआ है for eyebrow eyebrow, for upper lip, and for peach fuzz, and for bikini line. But I would not suggest you to use this around your bikini line, because that can be harmful for you. So I just use it on my face and to remove my hair on my chin area or cheek area, and this is really safe. So just give it a try and let me know how do you like it. So the next thing on this list is this L'Oreal Extenso Care Mask for Hairs. So मैंने लास्ट वीडियो में आपको अगर याद हो दिखाया था कि L'Oreal का एक्सटेंसो गोल्डन वाला शैम्पू मुझे बिल्कुल सूट नहीं किया, बट ऑन द कॉन्ट्ररी ये इसका जो सेम मास्क है उसके साथ, दिस इज़ सो अमेजिंग, दिस इज़ सो बटरी एक्चुअली, एंड इसकी जो कंसिस्टेंसी है वो इतनी बटरी है, मतलब आपके बालों को ये इतना स्मूथ कर देता है, एंड दिस इज़ सो गुड, एंड कीपिंग इन माइंड कि ये पैराबिन और सल्फेट फ्री है, इट्स ऑल्सो सेफ फॉर योर हेयर. तो बहुत ही अच्छा प्रोडक्ट है, एंड आई वुड हाईली रिकमेंड यू टू बाय दिस वन. यू कैन ऑल्सो यूज़ दिस टू डू योर हेयर स्पा एट होम, एंड और यू कैन यूज़ it as a conditioner. Both ways it works, so I would highly recommend you to buy this one and just give it a try. So the next product on this list is this body butter by Plum in the flavor vanilla and fig. Actually I just love vanilla smell, और जब मैंने ये देखा था तो सेल में था and I have to buy that, so मैंने ये ख़रीदा, एंड दिस स्मेल सो गुड, एंड इसकी जो कंसिस्टेंसी है ये बहुत अच्छी है, मतलब इतना बटरी है ये, एंड इट्स अ मस्ट हैव फॉर विंटर्स. मतलब अगर आपको अपनी ड्राई स्किन है और बहुत ज़्यादा ड्राई है, मेरी तो खैर ऑयली है, बट जिनकी बहुत ड्राई स्किन होती है उनके लिए ये प्रोडक्ट हेवन से कम नहीं है, और काफ़ी अफोर्डेबल भी है. आई थिंक ये सेल में वैसे तो 650 का है, बट आई गॉट इट फॉर 350 समथिंग. सो प्लम बहुत सारे ऑफर्स के साथ आता रहता है, सो आई वुड हाईली रिकमेंड यू टू जस्ट चेक आउट सम offers before buying this one, and you have to buy this one for winters. This is so amazing. So next one on the list is every girl's favorite, which is lipsticks, and I also really love lipsticks. It's a huge affair and long time affair, and it's not gonna end soon. So I'm going to show you two lipsticks which are my all-time favorites, and these are nude shades, so every girl can use this one. One is for regular like day-to-day use, and this is as you can see from its हालत, मैंने इसको कितना यूज़ कर लिया है, बट अभी भी इसमें बचा है. So this is Maybelline the powder mattes in the shade toasted brown, and I'm wearing this one as well right now on my lips. This is a beautiful nude brown color, and winters भी आ रहे हैं, so देखो कितना सा बचा है, बट स्टिल मैं इसे यूज़ करे जा रही हूँ. But this is so lovely, and it will just suit every skin type, every skin tone, और बहुत ही प्यारा कलर है, and I would highly recommend you to buy this one. The another lip shade which I have is from Smashbox. ये थोड़ा एक्सपेंसिव है, और अगर आपकी किस्मत अच्छी हुई तो आपको ये मिनी साइज में भी मिल सकता है, कई बार Smashbox ऑफर लगाता है. But if you are looking for a lip shade for festivity, then I would highly recommend you to buy this one by Smashbox in the shade Driver Seat. This is so good. I used almost in my every function, in my every musical event, and this shade is a must have for every girl. This suits every skin tone, and the formula is also really nice. It doesn't come off easily. It's so you know, just comfortable on your lips, and it looks really good. So, and another shade which I am not having right now with me, but this is Naughty Nude by Nykaa. It's also a really nice pinkish kind of shade, so if you want to buy something in pink tone, then you can definitely check that out on Nykaa app. So the next one on the list is this liquid eyeshadow by Swiss Beauty. I got it this in the shade 05, which is rose gold retro. So actually I was looking for an liquid eyeshadow since a very long time, because मुझे function में जाना होता है, so I don't know how to do a perfect eye look. So this makes it so easy. You just have to put your simple matte shade on the upper crease, and you just have to apply this, and that's it. You are good to go. And उसके ऊपर liner, काजल, जो भी आपको पसंद हो, you can apply that as well. So this is quite affordable for 200 rupees. So मैं सोच रही हूँ कि इसमें मैं 5-6 कलर और मंगवा लूँ, तो जो भी आउटफिट होगा उसके मैचिंग के साथ में हो जाएगा. And it's really easy to use. It's really handy, और आप ट्रैवल भी कर सकते हो कहीं पे भी. So I would highly recommend you to buy this one. This shade is also beautiful. This is 05. So the last product that I'm going to show you in this video is this beautiful mascara by L'Oreal, which is Voluminous Lash Paradise, and this is so good you guys. It makes your lashes look really amazing and आपको ऐसा लगता ही नहीं है कि आपको फॉल्सीज की ज़रूरत है. ये इतना अच्छा लुक दे देता है आपके लैशेस को, एंड इट really makes you look like that you are wearing some fake eyelashes, which is not true. So you can definitely go for this one. And इसका जो ये part है, this is really, it has really small I don't know what do we call it, lines or something. So जो छोटी छोटी lashes भी होती है उनको भी ये काउंटर करता है और उनको भी ये वॉल्यूम देता है. So this is a boom product and I would really recommend you that you can buy this, and this is so good. So that's it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed this, and if you do, then please like, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. That would mean the word to me. And if you have any suggestions and if you want to collaborate or something, you can mail me or write down in the comment section below. I'll be really looking forward to see all your lovely comments. So thank you so much. You can also follow me on Facebook and Instagram. I'll be sharing the links in the description part. So thank you so much. I'll see you very soon in my next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, and thank you so much.